Hi, my name is Gerardo and I'm going to teach you transformations. Transformation is changing the graph without plotting. It exists 6 types of transformation. What do we need to know? The first thing is like if in the function is something like this in this example, the plus 2, the original form of x squared is going to be the red one. But if we have a plus 2, it's going to change to the sides. So it's going to move here or here among this side. But we need to change the sign. So it's going to be minus 2. In the second example, we found plus 2 outside the function. That means that we need to move it up or down among the sign. So we can see the x, simple x here, the red one, and in the blue one is what if we change it. And if a minus is inside the function, we need to reflect it to the side, to the opposite side. But if the minus is outside the function, we need to reflect it up or down. The first one is the x squared. We need to find a reference point that is going to be the one in the middle. Always is going to be this one. The one in the middle with the coordinate 0, 0, one in the left in the 1, 1, and one in the right of the minus 1, minus 1. So we have a reference point here, and after that we graph. So it's going to be like a U, where it's going to be a U shape. U shape. The second transformation is the x cubic. This one is the S shape. In this one we have also 3 reference points. One in the coordinate 0, 0, one in the coordinate 1, 1, and the other one in the coordinate minus 1, minus 1. And we start doing like the S shape. My fault. Like, it's going to be like this. And the next one is going to be the square root x. That is like this. And in this one we have 2 reference points, here and here. We do our graph that is going to be like this. The next one is the cubic root x. So we have our 3 reference points here and here and here. And we graph our function. It finishes like this, with a reference point in 1, 1, 0, 0, and minus 1, 1. The next one is one of the most difficult. Is the one divided in x. This one, it finishes like this. But if we have something changing here, like a plus 6 inside the function, I recommend to move all the graphics. So it's going to finish like this. We need to make our new graphic here. And one we have our function graphic here. I will erase everything else. We will ignore the basic graphic, so we can draw our new limits for the function. In this function, it's about limits that doesn't touch the graphic. The next one is similar like the last one, but is the 1 divided in x squared. This one, the only difference is we have the same graph here, but instead of having down here, we have it up. So as the same of the last one, I recommend of draw the new limits if the graphic change. Like we have our new limits, that is going to be, the limit is going to be here, +1, and j is going to be in 0. So our new graph is going to stay like this, but with a new limit. Those was the 6 type of transformation. Hope you like my video, and see you.